Last time I tuned the car to 200 horsepower, installed the rear spoiler from Mazda Speed and the front splitter from Maxton Design. But me and my dad realized that we made a big mistake. We completely cut the front splitter from the original bumper and yeah. This time I will install some side skirts from Maxton Design, but there is no room for error. But first we have to change the tire pressure sensors and the wheels. So I don't have any more the spoiler. I had to redo it, everything, the paint, because it will start to peeling off just a little bit. So I put it down and redo all the thing again. Plus, I saw the spoiler was wibbling just a little bit. So there's a good occasion. I bought just a sealing. So we're gonna put some sealing and I think it's gonna be much more firmer. So it's gonna be much better. Okay, first thing first, we have to clean this mess because otherwise the sealing wouldn't do the proper job. And yeah, after that we will install the new LED for the brake light. Almost forgot. For the spoiler we will use this Moly sealing and should do the job, I think so. First thing, let's clean all this mess because otherwise the sealing wouldn't do the job and yeah, it's pretty dirty. Okay, first thing first, we'll put the sealing on the back of the car. Adding the sealing is not that difficult. You just have to be really patient and careful to don't add too much sealing because otherwise it's really a mess. After that I can install a rear spoiler from Mazda Speed. Was not that difficult except for that I'm alone and I had to make some adjustments. You just needed 2 bolts and that was it. Okay, so sorry, but from now on the audio was missing. I don't know how come. I think that my phone broke. But yeah, was not that difficult to install the rear spoiler and looks like pretty fixed. And look at that, it's quite nice. Okay, I don't know that you cannot see, but here's a cable that is black and purple and the other one it's red and white. I think that red will go with the black, but I don't know why I'm trying otherwise. Okay, I'm trying now to connect everything. I know I shouldn't do it like this, but that's just a temporary solution. Okay, the red would go with the purple and the white with the black. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working! Okay, again, I know I should cut the cable and put everything together, I should, but this is just temporary. I will try another solution for now, but I don't have any time for that. I really wanted to install this spoiler really quick, and yeah, let's just go further. Okay, now it's just the case to put back the trim of the rear trunk, and that's it. Okay, I have something else. There are wing mirror covers. I know they look like for a BMW M3, but let's give it a try. I know it's a cover, it's not the original one, but let's give it a try. Let's see. Okay, they're not bad at all, but I'm not sure. Okay, I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. But they fit kinda with the rear spoiler and the side skirts will be really good. But I still have to install the side skirts, but I don't know. Let me know in the section below what I think about that. But with the side skirts, I think it should be much better. And yeah, I received in the package the 3M sticker, but I will again use the sealant like for the rear spoiler to attach the wing mirrors, and I know that's not the right procedure, but okay, I think that it will work still. And again, just the case to put some sealant, not too much, to not be messy. Okay, the sealant is not that bad, it's quite solid and I don't think it will fall apart. You just have to be careful not to be too messy, as I said before, but look, I think it's quite okay. And now it's time for the left side, because I think it fits quite good. Okay, I think it's really sick look, because at the back we have the Mazda Speed spoiler, and the front splitter of Maxton Design, and then we are still missing the side skirts of Maxton Design. But yeah, I think the wing mirror covers looks really good. We still have to FFP the front lights to make it a little bit darker, And yeah, the wipers, I have to do something because there's some rust on it. But yeah, on 1, 2, 3, we're gonna change it. Okay. Okay, now that the wipers are finished, we can install the side skirts. But before we install the side skirts, we have to change the wheels. I know those are horribles, and before were the summer tires with summer wheels, but I have to change it since I went for snowboarding. And yeah, actually before we change these tires, we have to reset the tire pressure, because during the season the battery of the tire pressure monitor stopped work, and the new sensors are around 150 euros per sensor, which is so expensive. So I decided to buy 4 of them for 50 euros. I know it's a gamble to buy tire pressure sensors from AliExpress, but they are super cheap. 4 sensors for, I believe, 50 euros. So at least the tire, it's not flat. So I think they works, at least for now. All we have to do is to reset the code, then change the summer tires, and then we're good to go to install the side skirts. So as you can see, guys, here's the light of the tire pressure monitor. And yeah, the scan tool revealed that we have 4 fault codes for the tire pressure sensors, since the old one stopped working because of the battery, and we decided to change them. So now we all have to do is to clear the code, and we should be good to go. So we just have to turn on the ignition. Okay. Let's see. Okay, cool. Okay, great success. I went for a quick ride, and check this. No more light for tire pressure. Looks like the scan tool launch did his job, and I'm so happy. Okay, next step is to change the winter tires for the summer tires, and then the side skirts. Okay, now that we are changing the tires, it's a good time to check the discs and the pads, if they are still good or not. Okay, so the discs are okay because there's no lip, and here the pads are still good, even though you cannot see it, but you have still some more material, so they're good. Okay, let's put back all the 4 wheels, and then we are good to go to install the side skirts. Bolting back all the 5 nuts. So before I start doing anything, I pre-drilled some holes, so everything should be much easier. Now we all have to do is to peel down the film and then put some sealant for the body, and we should be good to go. There we go. We're gonna peel everything. Oh yeah. Again, we're using our special sealant to add some force to the side skirts. We have to be really careful to not to put too much sealant, because otherwise it's so messy. This time I'm helping myself with the jack to align everything, the side skirts with the car, and then it's just a case to put all the 10 bolts on the side skirts on each side, left and right. That was super close. I was like, oh damn it, they're gonna break it and I have to order a new one. And but fortunately they didn't, so it was like centimeters, millimeters, was so crazy. So the side skirts are finished, the wing mirrors, the wipers, and the spoiler. It's midnight, I wanna go for a sleep because I'm really tired, and yeah, that's it. We still have to do some work on the car, but that's for the next episode. So if you like it, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you next video. Ciao!
Welcome to the good life. New day, the game has changed, the pieces in place, and now we're moving. We shine.